Well, fam, I'm about to bike 50 some miles on this bike with absolutely no training. It's gonna be an interesting day. So I have this list of life goals, and one of them has been on this list for like 6 years of biking to my grandma's house from my house, which is like 50 some miles. So our house is here, and I gotta go way down that way onto some country roads and get to my grandma's house in Bloomdale. That is what I'm doing today. I'm gonna vlog it. I have done absolutely no fitness to get ready for this, so it could be quite interesting. I'll keep you posted, see how it goes. Okay, you might be thinking to yourself, well, maybe he doesn't have the fitness, but he has the gear. He's got some good biking stuff. No, I do not. I have absolutely no official biking stuff. I'm just like dressed in random things. I got a backpack with some protein and some water in it, and that's pretty much it. The one important thing I do have though, bicycle helmet. And the bike that I do have is pretty nice. It is a Trek. It's a road bike. I got it at an auction. I've not ridden it further than 0.5 miles, so this will be the first adventure. Hopefully nothing crazy happens. Let's roll. Better yet, let's ride.
Starting route to Bloomdale, head west on Fremont Road.
Fam, I just started. My butt already is sore. This is gonna be a long day. Well, we're about 5 miles in. Took a quick break at like a little birding trail. Holy cow, we've got like 4 hours to go, slightly over that. And we're going into the wind. It is a windy day, unfortunately. I looked it up and it said it wasn't supposed to be that windy. Well, someone lied to me. Well, the legs are already feeling a bit wobbly. Good news. Well, we got a man down. I was trying to take my helmet off so I could take my snoot off. I was trying to do it while I was riding. Couldn't handle it. At least I didn't fall off. That's great news. We are officially under 4 hours to go. And the sad part though, I don't get to cross this bridge. I gotta go the other way. We gotta save the legs. This bridge isn't as cool, but I like the water. Yo, bit of a crazy small world. Rachel and I toured that house like a year ago to potentially move to this area because it's right on the water. Look at this. And a cute house. Has a barn in the back. People live there now. It's not us. A couple updates for you. The legs are burning. We're 39 miles out. I'm struggling. This is like a freaking windy day, and it was not supposed to be. I'm gonna have to fight whatever meteorologist said in my app that it's not gonna be that windy today, because she's windy. Other update, there's a ton of birds here. Listen to them. Are you kidding me? Look at that freaking wind. I'm driving directly against that. Freaking suckers. Wow, it is so windy. That's really punching me in the face. Killing the legs. We're about 3 hours out, so that's still a lot of miles to roll. Took a quick break at a cemetery. I'm gonna snag some protein, a little water, and then we're gonna go back on the bike and try to fight this wind. I'm at this random cemetery, and this is one of my relatives. Super distant, but the Voorhees family, they were some of the first individuals to come across to the colonies and help found New Amsterdam, which is what now New York is. So this is one of my super distant relatives. Crazy, small world. Well, I'm not being the smartest. I'm just walking around the cemetery because I love family history and ancestry, so I'm checking out all the names. I should not be walking. I should be resting these legs because we got ways to go. I did eat the protein. We got some water in, so let's hop back on the bike and cruise. So I've taken a break. There was a bike path, which unfortunately does not go the direction I need it to go, but I stopped off so I could take a little break. We are just 20 miles in, and I am dying. I am going just straight against this wind, and I hate it so much. I feel like this would have been fairly easy compared to what's happening right now. But we'd like a challenge. We're gonna go until my freaking legs fall off. So we're gonna eat, drink, and then go again. Quick stop for these berries. I'd love to get a good video, but it's so freaking windy I can't, but I need to eat them because they look freaking delicious. Should I do this? Probably not. I could probably die. We have made it to the village of Helena. It's over halfway now. We've got 24 miles still to go. I tried to lock in and just keep going. The wind, still pretty strong, still killer. The legs are burning. I'm now starting to question, am I gonna make it? Because we also have to beat the sun. A quick pit stop, just a little break to give the legs a rest, shake them out, and then we try to keep going. That is the time we have. When that sun gets down, it's gonna be too late. We are about an hour 40 in terms of time away, just under 20 miles. I gotta book it, but I don't know how much energy I have left. The legs, they're struggling. I can barely walk. When I get off the bike, I'm like wobbly. I'm taking a quick walk up this hill because I am dying. Not only is it the legs, the thighs are giving out on me, the hips are hurting. Who would have thought not training for a 50+ mile bike was a bad idea? Not me, apparently. I am under an hour, but the sun, as you can see, is starting to set. So I'm gonna go as far as I can, try to push it and see if we can make it happen. I am under half an hour away. We're about 5 miles to go. So close, we can't stop. I can't feel the legs though, so that's the great part. So my son and my wife have joined me. I am like 20-ish minutes out because it's now about dark. So she needs to make sure I don't die. Thankfully, we're in the middle of the country, close to where I grew up actually. So there is no one. Fam, we are under 2 miles. I am off the bike because conveniently down this way is my childhood home. That's where I grew up, down here in Bloomdale. So now I just have to head about 1.5 miles down that road. That is where my grandmother's house is, and we have made it. Thankfully, I'm just pretty much numb at this point, so there's still a lot of pain, but less so now for some reason. Maybe because it's getting a little colder, or maybe I'm just getting a little delusional. It probably is the case. Well, fam, it was one heck of a tough journey, but we did it. 50+ miles, and I am officially now at my grandmother's house in Bloomdale, Ohio. Wouldn't recommend doing this without training, but pretty cool experience. Glad that I got it off the bucket list. Well, fam, it is officially completed. What a journey, what a painful experience. I'm still a little wobbly and I need some ice for my butt, but other than that, we're good. We made it. It's checked off the list. Again, I don't think I would recommend this without training, but hey, go accomplish stuff, do hard things. I am gonna go do some hard things and like try to sit down. That's the hard thing I gotta go do. Well, it is the next day, and my goodness, what a challenge that was. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. Train before you do any serious exercising activities like that. Overall, the legs are dead. The thighs are so sore. The hips are sore, but also the butt. It is tough to sit down just sitting on that hard seat for that long. I don't know why they make bike seats like a brick. Make it soft and cushy, especially bikes that are meant for going long distances. Holy smokes. All right, I need to do some more training before I do anything like this. And you may be asking, why do something like this? With no training, you knew it was gonna be painful. I did. I have just had this on my bucket list for a while, and about 5 years ago, when I was like 25 years old, I tried to do it also with pretty much no training, and I did not make it. I've decided to do something pretty crazy today. As you all know, I love to ride a bike, and I think I'm gonna go ride 60 miles on the sketchy bike to my grandma's house. All right, I've made it to Marion. Now, let's see what lasts longer, my bike or my body. Unfortunately, after 37 miles, my legs kind of gave up, so I had to call in the cavalry. So I knew that I had to accomplish this goal and get this done. I like to try to do hard things. I like to challenge myself, and this was just the latest of those adventures. And it's a cool lesson. Like, you can go out and do hard things, try stuff, challenge yourself. That's what makes life fun. Make sure to join me for the next adventure. Until then, subscribe. I will see you soon. Peace.